New U.S. labor market data just came in. For the first time in weeks, jobless claims fell below 200,000, surprising many economists, even as other indicators point to a weakening jobs picture. Today we'll explain what this number means, why it matters, and what it tells us about the state of the U.S. economy. For the week ending December 27th, initial claims for unemployment benefits dropped to roughly 199,000, down from about 215,000 the week before. That's significant because claims, the number of people filing new jobless claims, are a leading indicator of layoffs and business confidence. Economists had expected a slower pace, not a decline. At face value, this suggests employers are not laying off workers at a higher rate, even with some economic stress in other areas. This is surprising for a few reasons. First, other recent data shows slower job creation and a labor market that's losing momentum. Hiring has slowed compared with earlier this year. Second, the Federal Reserve has cut interest rates 3 times in a row, signaling concern that the job market and broader economy may weaken. And yet claims dropping below 200,000 suggests employers are holding on to workers. It could reflect business caution around layoffs, or simply seasonal patterns from the holiday period. Analysts do note that claims week-to-week data can be volatile, especially with shortened reporting periods around holidays. So what do we make of this mixed signal? On one hand, low jobless claims could indicate the labor market remains resilient, a positive sign against recession fears. On the other, this might be a short-term blip tied to the holiday period, and we'll need several weeks of data before calling it a trend. For everyday Americans, stable claims could mean continued job stability. For markets and policymakers, it's another data point in a complex story about inflation, growth, and where the economy is headed. In short, jobless claims falling below 200,000 is good news on the surface, but it doesn't tell the whole story. We'll have to watch the next few weeks of data to see if this pattern holds. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep tracking what this means for you and the wider economy. Check out the articles. I'm Zane.